I'm Kevin Hogan.
I'm Reece Reid. We're both Senior Design Managers at Kapitol Group.
Where the design team adds value is in the upfront planning to mitigate any potential future issues down the track. So spending more effort and time and resources up front in the process to make sure that the process down the track is a lot smoother.
So typically the issues are concrete profile plans not aligning with what we have to build in terms of integration of specialist finishes or steelwork. We want to make sure we capture any changes or amendments to those plans before we go and construct on site to avoid unnecessary rework or abortive work. A clear example of where we've found an issue was recently on a project we had concrete profile plans modelled by our in-house team. What we found is there was a few pockets required or rebates in the slab for steelwork. What happened was those rebates weren't deep enough, resulting in the architectural finish not aligning with the hold-down bolts of that steelwork. If we didn't capture that early enough in this modelling process, we would have tried to install the steel and noticed that the floor finish had exposed bolts through it. So we've captured that early, quite a number of base plates that we would have had to rectify on site. As Kevin and I are primarily based in head office, we use a lot of technology in terms of our dashboard reporting, so Power BI. We extract data from Aconex, from BIM 360, all other applications, and we can understand where we're sitting in terms of open RFIs, what are some critical issues that we need to get involved in.
I think it's about breaking down barriers and collaborating better with the site teams in a sense, and the data, we're trying to break down silos basically, because that construction has been notorious for building silos around their project teams, where we're now, as you know, we're pretty much saying data doesn't lie, so we've got the data available to us and therefore we can help to see the fires before they start burning too hot so they can't be fixed. So for us, with having the data points available for us, we can very quickly identify if there's something that we can assist with early days. So if it requires more resource, more people, more input, we can identify it in the data sets and we can then help to fix it before it's too late.